Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt Rockerz 245 version 2 wireless Bluetooth headsets. A lot of information on this box and let's quickly go through them. This particular device has HD immersive audio, is IPX5 sweat and water resistant, has voice and also has voice assistance. Playtime of up to 8 hours, which is not bad, and 120 hours of standby time, which is quite substantial. Integrated controls, we will take a look at them very soon. Rechargeable 100 mAh battery, not bad at all. 12mm dynamic driver, that's not bad either. They also have magnetic ear tips and lightweight adaptive fit. We will see all of them soon enough. Let's just open this box and see what's inside. A couple of documents here, of course. Let's see what they are. This seems to be a product brochure for boAt. A lot of other products are listed here. This is a sticker for boAt head, and you can put it wherever you want. This is your user manual. Do go through this at least once before you begin setting it up, because it will have all the instructions that you need. I mean, if you take a look, this has all the instructions that you basically need to set this device. And this is a warranty card. So let's leave this one over here. This, you have a micro USB charging cable with a USB-A port on the other side, which means you can connect it to any device, be it a PC, laptop, or a power adapter even. And finally, we have the earphones themselves. Let's pull it out very gently. This packet over here has extra silicone tips. These seem to be the small size and the large size, with the medium size on the headset over here. And that's silicone pair number 3 rather. And let's take a look at the headsets now. This is what the headset looks like. It's very light, super lightweight, and and very flexible as well. I mean, you can straighten it up like this. This is not bad actually, very flexible. Doesn't look very flimsy actually. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to break this one. Let's take a look at the heads. These are magnetic heads, as mentioned previously. You can see, which means you will not lose them very easily. That's a great thing. And the nozzles are angular. You can see right here the angle nozzles for better fit. They also have these hoops, which I guess this is what you use to actually secure your fit inside when you put the nozzle inside your ear. This band is pretty flexible, very flexible neckband style headset we have here. There are 2 modules at each end of the neckband, and on this one is where you'll find your inline volume control and media control. This button at the center is the multifunction button, along with the volume up and down button. There's also a tiny flap here. This is your micro USB port, as you can see here. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the boAt Rockerz 245 version 2 wireless Bluetooth headset. Thank you for watching.